Welcome to SokoBook Tutorials. What is SokoBook? A bookkeeping app designed to make your business easy. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the SokoBook app after you have downloaded and registered in. Through this tutorial, we will learn about key features necessary to use the SokoBook app. We will start with inventory, parties, and transaction. These three are the key features you will need to run your business smoothly and understand SokoBook from the core. Step 1. Once you register in SokoBook, you will appear in the homepage section where you will see a lot of things, but for now, please focus on the bottom of your screen where you will see transaction, parties, and inventory. Our first focus is on parties section. Step 1. What are parties? Well, parties are everyone involved with you in your business. For example, your customers or suppliers. Step 2. To add a new party. You just look to your right corner and you will see the Add New Party section. You can easily import your party details from your contacts. Step 3. Moving along, select your party type. Here we have either a customer or supplier. Step 4. I am choosing a customer as a party type for this. You can use the similar process for suppliers as well. Now select if you have to receive or to give. Since this party is my customer, I will be choosing to receive. Step 5. Fill out the date section, which will later help you during credit recovery and see the total credit amount. If you want to add any more details of the party, you can add so from the additional details section. Step 6. Now hit the Add New Party button to save all the info. There you have it, your new party ready to do business with you. In the next step of this tutorial, let's learn about inventory management in SokoBook. Can we easily manage your inventory from SokoBook? We will learn about it through this video. Step 1. Just beside the party icon you can see the inventory icon. Click on that button. Step 2. For adding new items or any item in your inventory, click on the Add New Item button. Step 3. Let's start with the item name. Here I am writing lipstick as an item name in my cosmetic store. As soon as you write the item name, you will see many details to add as follows. Item category section. Click on Select Item Category. You can also edit your category menu list and add a new item category through this button. Now select item type. If your item is a product, then select product, and if your business is service-based, select service. Here I am choosing the item type as a product. Step 4. Now let's move on to the stock details section. Opening stock during the start of your business. How much stock do you have? Write it down in opening stock. Let's move on to the unit. Select from existing units, or if you need to add any new units to make it easy, you can simply click on the Add New Unit button. Step 7. Let's look into prices now. Here we have sales price and purchase price. Sales price indicates how much price you sell the item for, and purchase price means how much you spend to purchase the item. Add your details accordingly. Step 8. If you want to add more details like item image or code or description, you can do so from additional details section. After you have filled in all the details, you can save the item into your inventory. You can also turn on low stock mode and get notifications directly if you are low in stock on any item. And that's it, your inventory is ready. We have already learned about adding parties and inventories. Now, for the most important feature. Let's record our first transaction in SokoBook. What happens in transaction section? All the business finance activities and all monetary transactions are handled by this feature. Now let's get started. Upon clicking on the transaction icon, you will see the Add Your Transaction button. Click on plus icon to proceed. You will see the options for sales, purchase, and many other. But for now, we will focus on sales and purchase. First, let's create a sales transaction. I will select sales and choose one of the parties I have added previously. The party has purchased 1 pack of lipstick. I can easily select that item from my inventory. Based on what you have saved, all the item details will appear automatically. In the sales feature, you can see other options as well, like discounts and VAT. You can add these details if you like as well. Next, you can see the total transaction amount. If the party has completed the payment, tick the checkbox for the received amount section, and the transaction will be recorded as paid. If the party hasn't paid yet, leave the checkbox unticked and the transaction will be recorded as an unpaid. You can also select the payment mode option for the transaction. Here, you can add multiple payment options like bank, cash, and online wallets, based on the preference of your business. For now, I have selected cash. Click the Save button. Your first transaction has been successfully saved in SokoBook. Once everything is done, you can generate the invoice, which you can download as PDF, print, or share it through WhatsApp as well. Now let's also create a purchase transaction. For purchase, follow the same process as sales. Select a party or import from one of your contacts. No worries if you don't have parties already created. You can create new party directly from here as well. Now let's add items from your inventory for the purchase. Since the prices are already mentioned and recorded in your inventory, your invoice is almost ready. Again, you can easily add a discount or tax amount with one click and get your invoice ready. In the next step, select the payment mode and click Save. You have your purchase transaction ready as well. After everything has been recorded, your home page will show your business's financial health status. Explore the home page and learn more about your business every day. Happy accounting!